Okay, here's a short one. I'm hoping short anyway. This is a first for me. How to flip over a froze up engine. Well, as you can see, I got a big old block of ice right there. I gotta chip it off with a chisel, hammer and chisel. That's what you deal with when you're working on these old cars in the snow. Here you can see I've already scraped. First time I've ever used an ice scraper on a carburetor. Intake manifold for that. What I got to do is I got to scrape that down to put my lift plate on it so I can get that mock-up motor to flip over. Anyway, and then I can get it into the fair lane. But today's the first. That's the first time. You can see it's froze so solid. As a matter of fact, it's so cold in here. I think it was 10 below in here. My pump on that jack on my cherry picker won't work. The oil's froze in it. Things you deal with in working on these cars in the wintertime. Anyway, I'm going to finish chipping that off, make that a clean surface so I can get my lift plate on there and get this motor to turn over in a different way. All right, that was just a quick one. We'll catch you on the next one. Till then, try to get that metal hot because this frozen stuff sucks.